This is the demo for our app, Sift. The front end is intentionally simple. You just swipe through songs, similar to a dating app. But the main thing we want to show is what happens behind the scenes, and how every swipe shapes the user's taste, and how that taste profile is used to recommend the next songs. The taste profile of each user captures how the music feels and not just genres. We track 5 key metrics: energy, danceability, valence, which is how upbeat a song is, acousticness, which relates to the way sounds are produced, and speechiness, which is how vocal or spoken word a song is. Everything you do in the app nudges that profile, and the app keeps showing you songs that fit it. First thing I'll do is sign into Sift. I already have an account, so I want you to sign up for a new one. And to sign in, I can either use manual or via Google, which I'll do right now.
Before a user starts swiping, we want their taste profile to already feel personal. So the first thing a user does is connect their Spotify account. When the connection succeeds, instead of starting everyone at a default starting point, we look at the user's top 10 songs and read the key qualities from them. From there, we average them out, and that gives us a starting profile that actually reflects what you listen to. Connecting seeds your profile with your real listening history, and from there, swiping refines it.
After the taste profile is initialized, every right swipe continues shaping it. You can always swipe yes on the card through 3 ways: either dragging it, using the arrow keys, or clicking the buttons themselves. You can also click the play button to play a snippet of the song.
You keep tearing me apart. Would you please?
When you swipe right on a song, the app gently moves your taste toward that song, with the key idea being that one song doesn't overwrite your taste profile, but instead it just nudges it in that direction of songs with similar characteristics, so that way your profile evolves gradually as you go. Left swipes are also remembered, but only so we don't show you that song again, so that they don't move your taste profile. This way, your Spotify based starting point gives us an initial direction, and your right swipes steadily refine it.
Now I'll explain how Discover chooses cards. Every song in our catalog is described by the same 5 qualities as your taste profile, so recommending becomes a matching problem. How close is this song to what you've shown us that you like? Discover compares each candidate song against your taste and surfaces the closest matches first, with energy and danceability weighing more than most other things in the match. This results in a small batch of cards that feel more like what you like. Discovery is also about close matches, but it also mixes in a little social touch. If one of your friends likes a song that you haven't seen yet, Discover can slip it in as a friend recommended card. When Discover loads, it looks at your current taste and skips anything you've already swiped on and serves up the cards that fit you best. If we quickly switch to Explore, Explore uses the same taste profile, but it has a different goal. Discover tries to find the closest matches, but Explore tries to create controlled novelty. It takes a specific quality, like energy or how upbeat a song is, and flips just that part of your taste while keeping everything else the same. So if you usually like high energy songs, Explore might show you something that's a little bit calmer, but still feels like you in every other way. It's not something that's random, but it's a little bit more personalized, and it intentionally nudges you outside your comfort zone. Now if we finally switch to Friends, you can also connect with your friends to find out their music taste and compare. So I'm going to quickly send myself a friend request by typing my name. And then on my local machine, I'll accept it. So now it's updated in the database and we're now friends with my profile, Daniel.
The tags on each card that we see, they're there to make the recommendations easy to understand. So some tags describe the song itself. For example, an energy tag for high energy tracks, or danceability, upbeat, or produced. Other tags explain why a card showed up. For example, taste match, wild card, friend pick, or matched energy. So even though the interface stays simple, you always get a hint about why a song was picked for you. For example, if I swipe right, the song gets saved as a like and my taste shifts a little towards it. So the next batch is a bit more tuned to me. When I swipe left, it just sets aside so it won't come back and my taste doesn't change.
Now looking at the like songs tab, every song that you swipe right on gets saved over here. So it's basically your running archive of everything that you liked across Discover and Explore. You can search it, filter by artist or release year, and sort it however you want. Newest first, by song, by artist, and so on. So yeah, you can see that we can do that. And here's the part that ties it back to Spotify. With one click on Make Playlist, Sift automatically creates a Spotify playlist for your like songs and drops every track into it for you. When it's done, you get a direct link to open that playlist right in Spotify. So the songs that you discovered here don't just live in the app, they go straight into your real library.
So the big idea behind Sift is that the interface is simple, but the loop underneath is meaningful. You can connect to Spotify to seed your taste profile, swipe right to refine it, and discover tab finds songs close to what you like, Explore tab stretches you in one direction, the Like Songs tab keeps everything you've loved, and you can push this all to a real Spotify playlist in one click to ensure that you can listen to these songs again in the future.